First, let us open up the trimmer head. Press the clips on the side to remove the cap and take out the empty spool. Make sure that the inside is clear of any debris before you start. Next, grab your new trimmer line and fold it in exactly in half. Hook the loop into the slot on the spool and wind the line tightly. Follow the direction of the arrow. Don't worry, it takes you just a couple of seconds to do that. Now it comes the difficult part. Thread the ends of the lines through the eyelets on the outer housing and drop the spool back in. Don't drop, actually just put it back in carefully. Snap the cap back on and make sure it clicks securely into its place. If not, then you can use a flathead screwdriver just as I did it, and you can force a little bit, but don't force it too much, otherwise you will break it. Now I will show you my technique how I do startup. Maybe it's worst, but it is working for me, and if you use another method, let me know. Once it is started, I usually just hit the trimmer's end once or twice just to see that everything is working normally, and if it's working normally, then well, it's not good to go. If you think this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Thank you very much and wish you a great day.